Hey guys, Brutallio here, and today I have a very special episode. I managed to get an exclusive interview with a lead developer over at Blizzard. Mr. Bendover, it's a pleasure to have you on the Brutallio show.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Okay, so let's get right into this. I have a couple of questions I think many people would love to know the answers to. Firstly, will you actually listen to player feedback?
Absolutely, we will do our best to ignore all feedback and pretend to listen.
Uh, okay then. Thanks. Will you be adding multiple different systems to stall out and waste players' time next expansion?
Yes, of course. We care about wasting player time and making the game as unpleasant as possible. We're actually thinking of adding a secondary sub-fee so we can increase profits.
Great. So how many devs or employees at Blizzard actually play Warcraft?
That is an excellent question. We currently have 2 employees that play Warcraft Reforged, 0 that play WoW.
Sorry, did you say
Oh,
zero
yes.
to play WoW?
We had one, but he didn't enjoy all the terrible systems and time-wasting content we added, so he stopped playing.
Right. After all the class changes from the pre-patch in Legion 1, the classes have been completely butchered and horrible. Any plans to redesign the classes again to make them fun and playable?
Nope. We are happy with how we set the game up. Just copy paste one expansion into the next so it all blends together in a big mess without any actual effort or work being done on our end. Think of the entire game being run by a single automated slot machine.
Fantastic. I'm sure that's what the people want. What are you drinking, by the way?
Oh, just some milk I found in the staff fridge. It's pretty tasty.
Okay then. Well, that's about all we have time for. Thanks again for taking the time.
Yeah, no problem. I actually get paid to do nothing, so I'm usually not busy. Most of the other employees are just interns that work for free. How cool is that?
That's pretty cool.
Don't forget to check out the in-game shop and buy some of those sweet store mounts.
I'm good. Thanks. Well, there we go. I think that went as expected. What a real piece of work that guy was. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, I stream at Twitch at twitch.tv/Brutalio. Peace!